Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am just going to be unboxing and setting up the 2 drawers as instructed on the manual inside. Once I assembled everything together, I went ahead and asked my husband to spray paint the drawers as well as the main base of it black. This is just a personal preference. I wanted everything to be black just to match my bedroom setup. Again, here's a close-up of it once it is painted black. There was a little bit of smudging while this was being covered, but everything looks good so far. My husband did leave the inside white still, just as a personal preference. I didn't need it to be black. Again, here is a finished shot of the drawer once everything was painted black and how I liked. You can see that I painted this one. I left a little bit of smudging there, but it's going to be totally fine. That's going to be left inside, and you're not going to be able to see it. The insides, I did leave white. Again, just a personal preference. I didn't need to paint them. I just wanted to make sure that the outside was painted black. As you can see, there are a little bit of marks, but to me, that's totally fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. Here's a quick little clip of everything once it's been put together. Here's a close-up of the top of the desk. The tabletop, the shelving unit that I purchased from Lowe's as well, that was a total of $14.98. The black spray paint that I purchased, they were $4.49 each. I purchased 2. I did return 1 because I only needed 1 for the shelving unit, the top of my desk. So I only used 1, so even then they had a discount coupon and I used that, so it was half off. But yeah, the 2 shelving units themselves, they were $32.65 each. Okay, so for the shelving unit, I did purchase it at Lowe's. I'll go ahead and link that down in the description box below. Ultimately, the length that I cut it was a total of 4.5 feet. So what I did was I had picked out the shelving unit. I had them cut it to exactly 4.5 feet. I didn't want it too big, I didn't want it too small, and either way later on I can go ahead and just buy another shelving unit if I want it longer or not. That way I could just repaint it again and then put that on top. I didn't screw it into the wall just so that I can move it around if I have to fit around the drawers that I have as well as the mirror that I have on the wall. So again, I'll go ahead and link everything down in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll go ahead and answer them for you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy my next video. Bye.